Welcome to our channel. Downloading YouTube videos in HD quality is straightforward with these simple steps for the best viewing experience offline. Step 1. Open YouTube and find the video you want to download. Note that you should respect copyright laws. Step 2. Copy the video URL from the address bar or share button. Make sure you have the complete link. Step 3. Open a YouTube downloader website like Y2Mate or Save From in your web browser. Step 4. Paste the video URL into the search field on the downloader website. Step 5. Click the download or start button. The site will analyze the video and show available formats. Step 6. Select your preferred quality. Choose 1080p or 720p for HD quality. Higher quality means larger files. Step 7. Choose MP4 format for best compatibility across all devices and players. Step 8. Click Download next to your selected quality. The download will begin immediately. Step 9. Check your Downloads folder to confirm the video saved successfully in high definition quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.